working with this. It's one of our last pieces here. This shaft that goes through here, it was a real bear to get out because it's bent. It has this long straight piece to go through in the middle here. I got this old tire iron. It's kind of the closest thing I've found, and it's just about right, but it's a hair big. It could be cleaned a little bit and maybe it'll go. However, not totally sure on that. Let's just cut a piece of it. We'll cut it a little bit long, just for if we need to chuck it up in a lathe or something.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So Tori down at TJ Metal Tech took that round bar that we cut off that old lug wrench and spun it down to our correct diameter here and did a really nice quick job of it too. And so now we have our correct size rod for our back piece here. So I left him a little bit so he could chuck it up, so we need to cut that off and then drill our spot for our little cotter pins here. You can see the bow in it here. So we're going to cut out that section like I showed and try to straighten it back up and then stick some new metal on it. Alright, so got our patch for the top here. Had to make a little relief cut in the back there just to get it to flatten out. For our little piece, I got a piece of kind of thick walled tubing because we got this curve on the top. I think I can make that flat part flat. Not too much of an issue. So a little shy of 3 1/4. So it actually matches that curve pretty well. Fading off as soon as we get to this line here. So I'm gonna have to hammer it down around it as kind of as we go here, but I want to get this bottom part at least kind of flattened out. That little bend around the top, we're just gonna have to kind of contour him as we go. Mixing up a little bit of Fiberall mixed with body filler, so I kind of have a little bit of the strand of the Fiberall and the strength, and then the finish of the filler to try to do this in one shot. Just going to clean up the weld marks and stuff so it doesn't look like it's been repaired. We've come this far, right? Might as well do it to it. This piece is still very wet. To set it. Hey. Our little crown jewel, so to speak, is our little handle that turns it on and off there. There we are. Well, all that's left to do is see if it works. The new seals are in it, so everything's moving real tight until it gets moving around a little. There it is. Alright. getting smoother to run after all the stuff starts to run. Well, we've had this rag stuck under this tire for quite some time. Alright. There she is, all her glory.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.